Hi, this is Joey for our weekly Birdsong Flutterby. This is something I am really excited about here. I am a sucker for gimmicky type products, but this is one that actually works. It's the travel rotary cutter. So you have this little thing, the blade is tucked inside, and you just push there's a lock on the side and you pull it up, and then you have this tiny little rotary cutter that you can use to cut fabrics. So this would be great for taking with you if you are going somewhere. It's great for bringing to sit and sew. It can cut up to 8 layers of fabric, so it's still very sharp. And it's very inexpensive. It's only $7. So come on into Birdsong, get your travel rotary cutter. You can throw it in your pocket, and then you can cut to your heart's content wherever you are.